Hey guys, my name is Jane. Welcome to Jane's Adda. In this part, we are going to learn about concrete and abstract nouns. Everything around us has a name. These naming words are nouns. Therefore, nouns refer to names of people, places, things, feelings, ideas, etc. Let's see what these concrete and abstract nouns are. Anything that we can identify by our five senses are concrete nouns. Either we can see them, hear, smell, touch, or taste them. You can see a tree. You hear it, smell, touch, and taste it. Whereas abstract nouns are opposite to concrete. We can't identify them by our five senses. We can't touch, see, taste, hear, nor smell them. Example, happiness. We can't touch, smell, taste, hear, nor see it. It is an internal state of mind or feeling. We can only see the result of it. Let's look at concrete nouns in detail. Concrete nouns are words that refer to something material, including people, place, living, and non living things. They can be either touched, seen, heard, smelled, or tasted. They exist physically. Example, chair. It exists physically. You see it, touch it, hear the sound of it. Noodles. You see it, smell, taste, or touch it. Similarly, you can see, touch, hear, piano, and computer. Concrete nouns can be common nouns. Table, cat are common. They can be proper nouns too, like Ajay, Milo. These are specific or proper names for a person and a cat. They can be countable. Spoons and books can be counted. They can be uncountable. Example, oil, sugar. We can't say one oil, two oils, nor one sugar, two sugars. Thus, they are uncountable. But you can see them, touch, feel, hear, taste, smell. Now, how to find concrete nouns in a sentence? Look at this example. My car is too small. Look for nouns. Here, car is a noun. How do you know it's a concrete noun? I can see it, touch it, hear, smell it. Therefore, car is a concrete noun. I like this perfume. Here, perfume is a concrete noun. I can see it, touch it, smell it. She is reading a book. Book is a concrete noun. You see it, touch, smell it. Let's move on to abstract nouns. Abstract noun identifies something immaterial and can't be perceived with our five senses. They can only be thought of or felt. They don't exist physically. Anger. We can't see, hear, touch, taste, or smell anger. We only see the result of someone's anger. I can't touch someone's anger. Notice, nouns ending with y, ty, ity, ion, th, meant, ce, age, hood are abstract nouns. Look at the words which are ending with these letters: purity, destruction, beauty, awareness, movement, annoyance, marriage, childhood, etc. Let's try to find abstract nouns in these sentences. I played outside in my childhood. Here, childhood is the abstract noun. How do you know? 1. It's ending with hood. Second, you can't see it, touch it, hear it, smell, nor taste it. It's a stage of a person. Education is the topmost priority. Here there are two abstract nouns, education ending with ION and priority ending with ITY. That is a clue. Next, you can't see, touch, hear, smell, nor taste education and priority. Health is wealth. Once again, there are two abstract nouns here, health and wealth. They end with TH and you can't perceive them with your five senses. Well guys, I'm ending this video here. Hope this was helpful. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel for more educational videos or click on the link at the top right corner for English resources. Thank you for watching. See you soon.